Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my mini savings video where I have 6 saving challenges that I am saving for my revolving sinking funds. And I have my $50 with 2 $5 bills, which is like a little savings boost. So I'm just going to mix that up in here. Something like that. Yes, something like that. All right, so I am going to roll my 6-sided die here, and that's going to tell me which 2 bills it goes to. And we'll see if we finish any this week. What I do is save all the challenges for the month and put that towards a revolving sinking funds. For the last couple, well, I think it was just the last month or maybe the last 2 months, I have just been putting where I need the money at the most. Other than that, I kind of just do a randomizer, and dang 6, and that would tell me like which category that would go to. Can we get a 1? Okay, there we go. Another 1. And the last 2 bills. Let's see. 6. Oh, wow. Are we going to finish 6? So let's stack these up. All right. So this saving challenge is created by Budget with Carly. And it says 50, and it got $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. So, and all these are $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So far it got 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 31. So $31. All right. Next we have this challenge created by Bookish Mama Budgets. And this little Christmas in July. This one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. So 2, 4, and 6. I think I'm making each of the one of those. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Or it should be at least 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, $14. Next we have this challenge created by Budget with Carly. Each cloud is $2, and today got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. So 2, 4, 6. And it says 32, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18 saved so far. Next we have this challenge is created by me. You can find this free in my Kofi, and it's I got $2 here. So 1 circle. And we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18. 18 is like the number. All right. So next we have this challenge here is also created by me. You can find this, I believe I have this in my Kofi and my Etsy, one of the two, or both. And today got 1, 2, 3, and $4. So 2, 4. We only need $4 more. And it got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, $24 so far. Okay. And the one that took all the money, and it only need $2. What? And they got all this. Look at you being greedy. This challenge created by Bookish Mama Budgets. And they got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26. And it only needs 2. So we just going to take the $2 that we need. Cross that book out. Let's count how much this saved us. Because, yeah, that's all the books. 10, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, $32. So this one saved us 32. Perfect. Let me get a paper clip. And I'm going to put this in my completed saving challenge little pouch. So that was 32. Let's go ahead and finish this one. This one just needs $4. So let's put $1 back and grab a 5. All right, let's cross out these 4 or these 2 for $4. And we got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, $28. Yes, sir. Oh, it's right here. Oh, gems. So we saved $28. All right, July, you starting off pretty good. All right, let's finish this one. This one needs 2 for $6. 5, 6. So let's do 2, 4, and 6. And this one got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, $24. So 24. Perfect. Yes, July is starting off really great. So $24. See, do we have any more we can complete? This one needs 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So do we have at least $10? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We actually got $14. I could complete this one. Let's go ahead and let's do this one. So what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. And let's see. Color those in. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, $24. Another completed challenge. And you guys see how just saving with these mini savings, you can rack up some coins. Uh-oh, I'm about to drop all my paper clips. Perfect. So that is another completed challenge, and we still have $4 left. So I'm going to put that $4 toward this challenge because this challenge is going to take a little while. So let's put it towards this one. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. perfect. And I'm not going to count that again. Just going to put that there. Wow, we completed 3 challenges today with $50. Or 4 challenges. What? 1, 2, yeah, 4 challenges. And let me see. I try to bring some minis. I got this one here created by Stuffing Budget. Says 35. It came in a order that I purchased when I purchased my binder. Let me see. I got another budget with Carly. You are loved. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh goodness. Do I want to make those $2? I don't know. We'll get that next time. So that's I got a lot of budget with Carly. I'm gonna hold off and find some other challenges to put in these 2. All right, gems, that is all that was. Let's add it up. Let's add it up real quick. Uh-oh. So we have 24, 32, 24, 28. Is that all? Yep. So that is $108 with these 4 challenges. Yes, darling. All right, Jills. That is enough of my mouth. Thank you so much for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, Gems.